Welcome back. Let's get you now an update coming in from the maximum city, Mumbai. Heavy rains have in fact lashed the city for the last many days. It's led to waterlogging, particularly because overnight there's been very heavy spells of rainfall reported in suburban areas of Mumbai. Low-lying areas are completely inundated. We understand that public transport has been hit in some parts of the city as well. Now, the Met Department has predicted that the rains will continue for the next few hours. The heavy rains will continue to lash the city. We are in fact hearing at this point that in some places buses have not been able to ply because of the waterlogging in these areas. So until 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, Mumbai has received a total of 1,291.8 mm of rain since June 1st, which is about 48% in excess of the seasonal normal. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates. Pankaj, good morning. Just tell us what's the situation on the ground currently.
Good morning, Akshita. Situation isn't good on ground zero. Various low-lying areas of Mumbai are seeing heavy waterlogging. I'm in the suburban area of Sion in Mumbai, and the weather department has said that the next 2 to 3 hours are going to be critical for not just Mumbai but the adjoining areas of Thane and Navi Mumbai as well. In this very area where I am right now at Sion, heavily waterlogged, and I'll just try and go over to the other side because I'm seeing there are many residential complexes as well that are waterlogged now. Now, this is not a good scenario. Water is not moving out of this area. Now, this is a picture that needs to be shown to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, which has time and again been saying that all the preparations have been made on a ground zero. Now, look at the level of water here in these various housing societies just next to the Eastern Express Highway in the Sion area. Now, if it continues to rain, right now it so happens, fortunately, it's not raining, but it is still drizzling. But if you were to go by the word of the weather department, and if it continues to rain for the next 2 to 3 hours, one can well imagine what is going to happen to the residents of this very area. Now, this is the case in other areas as well. If I were to talk about the central line, then Dadar, Matunga, Chembur, these are the areas which have been badly hit. In the western side, Goregaon, Malad, Dahisar, Bandra, these are the areas where we are seeing waterlogging. As far as the train services are concerned, they are running 20 to 25 minutes late. There is water on the tracks at Chudabhatti, Kurla, Vidya Vihar areas. At least 15 bus diversions have taken place because of heavy waterlogging in roads and express highways as well. But the big news remains that the next 2 to 3 hours are critical for Mumbai and the adjoining areas, Akshata.
Let's hope there's no rainfall in the next few hours and the water